Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cars Wars Pack. Today, we have something truly exciting for all the muscle car lovers out there. The 2025 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 is making waves, and we're here to bring you all the latest details, updates, and news about this beast of a machine. Ford has once again taken performance, power, and design to the next level, and we can't wait to dive deep into what makes the new GT500 one of the most anticipated cars of the year. So, buckle up and stay with us till the end because you don't want to miss this. Let's start with the heart of the beast at the engine. The 2025 Mustang Shelby GT500 is rumored to be powered by a supercharged 5.2-liter Predator V8, delivering an insane amount of horsepower. While official figures haven't been released yet, experts suggest it could push beyond 760 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful Mustangs ever. Ford has always been known for pushing boundaries with the Shelby lineup, and this time, they might take it even further with hybrid or electrified performance enhancements. With growing emissions regulations and the shift toward electrification, we could see some new age performance tech blended with the raw power of the V8. When it comes to design, the 2025 Shelby GT500 is expected to bring a fresh yet aggressive look. Spy shots and renders suggest a more aerodynamic body, featuring a wider stance, sharper lines, and improved airflow dynamics. The massive front grille, functional hood vents, and rear spoiler will ensure both an intimidating road presence and enhanced downforce. Ford might also introduce carbon fiber components to keep the weight in check, improving the car's overall performance. And let's not forget those signature racing stripers, because no Shelby GT500 is complete without them. Inside the cabin, Ford is expected to offer a driver-focused cockpit, loaded with the latest technology. A fully digital instrument cluster, a massive touchscreen infotainment system with Sync 4, and premium materials will set the tone for a high-end experience. Expect sport bucket seats with Alcantara and leather, keeping you locked in during those high-speed runs. Tech-wise, features like adaptive driving modes, launch control, and a track-ready telemetry system are likely to make their way into the GT500, giving drivers complete control over this powerhouse. Performance isn't just about raw power, it's also about handling. Ford is likely to upgrade the magnetic ride control suspension system, ensuring a perfect balance between comfort and track capability. The Brembo braking system will be there to handle all that horsepower, providing exceptional stopping power when needed. And let's talk about the tires. So expect Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2s or an even grippier set of performance tires to maximize traction and cornering stability. Pricing and availability are still under wraps, but given the previous GT500 models, we can expect a starting price of around $85,000 to $100,000, depending on trim levels and optional performance packs. Ford could also introduce limited edition models with exclusive color options, carbon fiber wheels, and track-focused upgrades for those who want the ultimate Mustang experience. So, what do you think about the 2025 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500? Will it dominate the muscle car segment once again? Or will electrification change the game? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cars Wars Pack for more exciting updates on the latest cars and performance machines. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.